Hey, happy birthday, son. Here, I got you a present. Oh, you're an amazing dad. I'm so glad that you're my husband. Aren't those cool? I got you the new AirPod Max.
Listen carefully. If you love Satan, skip this video, but it might hurt your mom. If you love Jesus and mom, please click follow, like, comment, I love Jesus and mommy, and share. I will give you 3 seconds to make a decision.
Are you joking? You're an evil dad. I want a divorce. What? Why? Our son is deaf.
Oh, great heavens!